Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Poverty Hill Adventures. This morning I'm heading over to meet a couple of friends. One of them is a very good nature photographer, and he's gonna give me a couple tips, and he's gonna take me to a excellent birding spot. So it should be fun. I'm kind of excited about it. What a wonderful morning. My friends Mark and Sue were great hosts, and they showed me a great location for photography of birds and such. And Mark's got some nice equipment, and I learned some about that, and it was just a great time. Thanks for watching. Take care. Remember to keep on trucking and believe in yourself even when no one else does.